How we doing, everybody? For those of you who don't know me, I'm Dustin Prevete, Senior Group Product Manager here at LATICRETE for membrane, shower systems, and floor heat. And I'm here today with an introductory video for our new HydroBand 1 Trowel-Applied formula. So what's exciting about it? It's going to be applied in a single coat. So it's no longer coat, wait, coat, wait. It's a single coat applied with a trowel that's going to allow you to apply it literally in a single coat to the mil thickness that you need, allowing for the quickest possible time of installation, which then in turn gives you the quickest time to flood test. From a performance standpoint, this new formula will have all of the same great features and benefits of our current existing legacy HydroBand. It's going to meet or exceed ANSI 1810 standards, it's going to meet or exceed ANSI 1812 standards, and it's going to have the color changing technology to allow you the benefit of knowing when the material is fully cured so you can start your flood testing. It's going to come in 1 gallon, 3.5 gallon, and 5 gallon configurations, and we're looking to launch this in the back half of 2025. So for more details and more information, check in with your local LATICRETE rep, your distributor of choice, and here at LATICRETE at LATICRETE.com. Thank you.